this is Julie with Beadaholique, and in this video, I'm going to show you some ideas and inspiration for creating your own aromatherapy jewelry. I'm also going to show you how to add essential oils to felt pads, and also how to add it to lava beads. So what is aromatherapy jewelry? Well, it's basically jewelry that you've added an essential oil to, so you can enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy all day long while you're on the go. So whether at work, at school, wherever you may be. So an essential component of aromatherapy jewelry is essential oil. So we actually have at Beadaholique our own exclusive set. These are called jewel drops, and you get 6 10-milliliter bottles. And really, we picked out our favorite scents and ones that we thought that you would really enjoy. So lavender, a good classic one, sweet orange, eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree, and lemongrass. And these are all 100% essential oil with no additives, and they are 10 milliliters, so in really nice size. So this is a really popular trend that we've been seeing in a lot of magazines, a lot of shows, a lot of boutiques, and it's a great way of really getting to enjoy these oils all day long. So you can make your own jewelry like I've done here. I've created this bracelet, and we actually do have a video for all the jewelry you're going to see here, a complete how-to to show you how to do these projects. But this is just using beading wire, and I've added some lava beads. Now lava beads are great for adding essential oils to because they're so porous that the oil really gets in there and retains it. You're going to want to do 1 to 2 drops of oil, and that's going to last 1 to 2 days. So that's going to be the same whether you're using a felt pad, which I'll talk more about in a minute, or lava beads. So I'm going to show you real quick how you're going to add it to lava beads. You're going to want to have some type of paper towel or something to cover your surface, and you're going to pick your favorite scent. Now if you want to use more oil, you're going to have a stronger scent. I'm going to do peppermint, and if you look here, there's a little dropper top. So that's going to help it so that the oil doesn't just come spilling out. But you're going to hold it so that it's away from your fingers and it's just over some type of covered area. And we're going to go ever so slow. There's 1. There's 2. And you're just going to let that dry for about 10 minutes or so before you wear it. And then it's going to smell good and really be a great thing to have all day long. And just reapply. When the scent starts to fade, you're just going to reapply. So you can create your own jewelry using like a stringing method with lava beads. We also have these diffuser lockets, and we have a couple different styles. So these are little lockets, and they don't have glass in them, so they are open, which is great because then that oil and that scent can really come through them. But you see here's this great one. It has this little magnet on it, and that stays sealed. And what you're going to do with these, they come in all different styles, is you're going to put a little felt pad into them. So some really pretty little styles. And I've done that here with this necklace. Now this, oops, just dropped that necklace. So we're going to do that with this necklace. You see, I've just really wadded up a pad, and I've done it on both sides, and that color just comes through. And this was a fun project to make. But you'll notice that some of these are bigger than the pads. So if you want, you can just cut them down. They're very easy to cut, and you can cut them to any shape you want. And you can also bend them. So that's something you would do if you have a little diffuser locket that's smaller than one of these felt pads. So then I'm going to jump over here real quick because these are other diffuser lockets. So these are lovely ones. They're like little focal pendants. They come in all different styles. And then we have here stainless steel lockets. So I've created a project here using a stainless steel locket. It was really easy. But if you didn't even want to go to that type of effort, or you want something a little bit more simple, you can just hang a stainless steel chain onto this. And you can see I didn't even need to use a jump ring because that hole was big enough that the chain just slid through it. So if you're going to look at one of these lockets, I'm going to pick it up. Again, there's no glass, it's open work. And then there's just this little slit right here that you can see. You just put your thumb in there and you open it up. And now what you can do is you can slip in either the pad that comes with it. So here's a pad, or if you want a really fun color, you can buy an assortment of colored pads or just a whole bunch of the same color pads. But if you look at it, when you put a bright color beneath that, it really is a very pretty look. I'm going to just swap that out now and put a green one, so you can swap them out. What I think would be fun is to have a color for each oil scent, so you're not mixing your scents. You can definitely if you want to, but let's say you decide purple's always going to be my lavender one, and tea tree is always going to be my green one, and then you can swap them out for whatever you feel like for that day. But I am going to go ahead and put a purple one in here, and I'm going to show you how to add the oil to the pad. Again, it's going to be 1 to 2 drops, and that's going to last you 1 to 2 days. So you're just going to place the pad in there to start, open it up, and then just very slowly, a little hard, there we go. Put that over there. You could also put the pad here, put a drop or 2 on, and then just slip it in there. I kind of like doing it this way just in case any does spill a little bit. It just is captured in there. So that is a little tip for that. So yeah, these lockets are great. They come in a variety of different styles, and I just think they're so pretty when you put these colored pads. They become a focal piece. You can also use them for other projects as well. They're great little keepsake memento lockets in and of themselves. So you can hang them from the chain, you can create your own project with them, you can do stringing, but let's say you just want something that's already done. You just want to have a great aromatherapy bracelet. We also offer these pre-made bracelets. So these use the lava beads again because they're so porous, and they come in a variety of styles. So here we have the adjustable slider clasp, which is something we've really come to love here at Beadaholique. It's such a great way of finishing a bracelet, and it does become a one-size-fits-all situation, which is always nice. We have chakra bracelets, so we have a stretch one, and then we also have this sliding knot clasp, which is great, makes it very easy. We have a wrap bracelet. We have another one with the sliding knot, and this one's just solid lava beads. And then a classic one here that is just stretch with these nice big lava beads. And you would go ahead and you would apply the oil in the same manner. You would just do a couple drops, and then you can do them wherever you want, and that is going to last you for a little while. So we love aromatherapy jewelry here at Beadaholique. We've been so excited about it. I think we are all thinking of it in terms of gifts for loved ones coming up, for birthdays or Christmas or holidays. It's a really nice, nice little personal gift to give someone. And I know one thing I heard that I thought would be really fun was to take a box set where you get 6 oils and actually divide them up and make gifts. So you can make this locket for someone, which is very easy. You just have a stainless steel chain, and you've got the locket itself, and then take an oil and box it up for someone, and then make another gift for someone else. So you're separating out your box set, and you're making a bunch of different gifts, which is just something that I know we all enjoy when we can do that come, especially the holidays. So I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of aromatherapy jewelry here at Beadaholique, and hopefully it's given you some ideas of what you can do with it. If you do like any of the projects that you see here, please do check out our other videos. We do have their full tutorials to show you how to make them. And we also have hundreds of other tutorials and tips and ideas and inspiration at beadaholique.com, as well as on YouTube.